Josh Nodert here, Castor Real Estate Team at Coldwell Banker. Let's talk about closing costs. Now this might seem weird to be the second video in this series, right at the front, talking about closing costs. That happens at the end when the attorney is doing the settlement and they're doing all the dollars and cents. The reason I like to talk about it now is the closing costs, that money that someone's gonna have to pay for, the buyer, sometimes we can get the seller to help pay for it, but that money has to be paid at the end of this process. And I don't want you looking at homes that when we look at the closing costs, you realize that home's not in your budget or does not fit your financial goals. So closing costs, what are they? Well, there's a whole bunch of things that go into the closing costs. There's some really basic, simple ones like paying your property taxes or your property insurance. So the attorney's going to pay whoever you choose as your property insurance. Right off the front, they're gonna pay a year of property insurance. And then they're also gonna probably pay 2 more months to the bank to hold in an escrow account. And the bank's gonna collect 1/12 or 1 month of property insurance every month to put in that escrow account. But you need that first year to pay that first year insurance. The other thing is you're gonna pay taxes. And I hate to say exactly how much taxes you're gonna pay because it depends. When are you buying the house? Are you buying it at the beginning of the year? Are you buying it at the end of the year? Has the seller already paid the taxes? But you're gonna pay some portion of taxes at closing, and then you're probably also gonna pay 2 months to start that escrow account. Some other things you're gonna pay is any fees, any attorney fees, deed recording. There's a few different things that go into that. Also lender fees. Some lenders charge origination fees or commitment fees. And so that all plays into your closing costs. And people always wanna know, well, how much are they gonna be? And I'll give you a ballpark when we're meeting face to face. We'll talk about your property taxes, your property insurance. Some agents will say 2, 3, 4%. I hate to even say that because until we know your situation, we don't know. If you want a rough guess, I'd say right around 3 to 3.5% of the purchase price. So a $300,000 home at 3% is gonna be $9,000 in closing costs. But like I said, that varies. I'd love to connect with you and answer any other questions you got about closing costs. Have a great day.